guys so much. We couldn't have asked for a more helpful company than Allied Restoration.
Well, Mrs. Jones, thank you so much for allowing us to go above and beyond your expectations. Before we leave, is there anything else we could do for you?
Is there anything else you can do for me?
Is there anything else I could help you with?
Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones,
What? What?
before we leave, is there anything else we could do for you?
Allied Restoration has done more than enough. You guys have been so helpful. Thank you so much.
You could always choose the other guy's way, but why would you? Allied Restoration, there is a difference.